friends and families, hope you all doing great. I'm back again this week with a new video and a new recipe to share with you guys. Yes, is my homemade spicy spatchcock chicken, and I'm pretty sure if you guys watch the video till the end, you would love this recipe and you will want to give it a try. So my friends, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So to get started, I've got full chicken weighing about 2 pounds, which I have spatchcocked and also clean and finished with pat drying, as you guys can see. And I have also got a chicken leg. So to get started, I wanted to show you guys underneath this chicken skin I have created some small cuts, and the cuts that I've created is to allow the marinade to basically soak well with the chicken and keep it nice and juicy and moist as well. And I've also done the same on the chicken leg. First, I'm going to start by creating my first marinade, which I am going to use to stuff the chicken. And the ingredients you will need is 4 tablespoons of salted butter, 1 tablespoon of grounded black pepper, 1 tablespoon of grounded garlic, for a longer day. People feeling teaspoon of dried oregano, just come. 1 teaspoon of onion granules. We must never stop the way. And I'm going to follow by give it a nice mix until all is well blended. Then I will set it aside for later. Okay guys, so before I stuff the chicken using the marinade we made earlier on, I forget to add one of the ingredients, which is fresh parsley, as you guys can see. So I'm going to add the fresh parsley into the marinade and give it a mix, followed by using the marinade to stuff the chicken. And once I finish marinating the chicken, I am going to pin the chicken skin using a toothpick in order to hold the chicken skin in place while it's cooking. Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Okay guys, so now that I have finished marinating the chicken, I am going to show you a simple recipe which I'm going to mix it together, followed by rubbing it onto the chicken. So the ingredients are 1 tablespoon of grounded black pepper, a teaspoon of grounded white pepper, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, and a little bit of salt to taste, as we do not need much salt since the butter is already salty. Then give it a good mix, followed by adding a teaspoon of mixed herbs. Then mix it again and set it aside for later. Okay guys, now that I've finished creating my dried wrap, it's time to rub it onto the chicken. Yum. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub it all over the chicken until well coated. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. So friends and families, now that we've finished rubbing the chicken, normally this is the end of the video and I was supposed to take the chicken onto the grill, but there is no spicy chicken without spice. And so I'm going to show you the next ingredient, which is my homemade spicy sauce that I'm going to use to spread all over the chicken except the chicken leg, because that one is for my daughter and she doesn't like pepper. And the kind of pepper I use for this sauce is red and green Scotch bonnet peppers, and followed by a few seasoning, which are 2 tablespoons of Maggi liquid seasoning, a little bit of grounded black pepper, and a little bit of Himalayan salt, but you can use any other salt of your choice, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and finally some olive oil to help mix the ingredients. And again, you can use any other oil of your choice. And next I am going to rub it all over onto the chicken as well, except the chicken leg. Then once I finish rubbing it until it's well coated, I'm going to cover it and let it marinate for at least 2 hours before grilling. Let's go back to when trees were swung, kids across the lane. Savannah, I'm coming home. Okay guys, it's been 2 hours since my chicken is marinating, so it's time to start our grill. Yay! Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. So I am going to transfer the chicken onto the grill tray, then take it to the grill. I am going to use an oven grill for this recipe, and if you are using an oven grill as well, make sure to set your grill to high, and once your grill reaches temperature, place your tray into the grill, then cook it until it's almost cooked, but make sure to keep checking to make sure it doesn't burn. This will usually take between 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 20 minutes since my chicken is cooking, and it's now almost cooked, so it's time to baste the chicken using the buttery juicy that has dripped into the tray. Followed by turning the chicken, and repeat the same process, followed by spreading the remaining pepper sauce onto the chicken except the leg that I've mentioned earlier on, then followed by putting it back to the grill and grill it until it's fully cooked. But as always, keep checking to make sure it doesn't burn. Okay guys, it's finally time to check our chicken, and it should be cooked by now. As you guys can see, looks crispy from the outside and moist from the inside. Yum. So I am going to allow it to cool down, and that would take roughly 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes it will be time to serve it. Yay! I am serving this on its own alongside with some fresh tomatoes, onions and green Scotch bonnet peppers, but you could serve this with any other dish and it will taste delicious. Yum. Alright friends and families, this brings the end to our today's video. If you've liked the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up Also, don't forget to leave a comment if you ever try the recipe to let me know how it turns out. And also share the video with your families and friends. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning up. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and also share the video with your families and friends. Okay guys, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.